What's up? Alexo Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Bitcoin has dropped. Today we're going to talk about what's going on, where price can go, what's the bear case. Over the weekend, volume has slowed down, but we've had a massive drop. Now, I just wanted to get you guys this update in order to inform you of the current levels that we're at, where we can look for a move on the Bitcoin price. Yes, we've had this massive move down. Can we get a retrace to continue our way down? Now, what I'm looking at is that these three levels. Okay, so this first level is the level that we must hold. This is the level that we could possibly hit. And this is the level that, 20K sounds out of this world, but can we get there? Now, I've pulled some Fibonacci, I've pulled some golden pockets, and I've also pulled some volume. So we have the POC of this entire range. When we pull from here to here, we can see that the POC of this entire range is at this 21,800 level. Also, if we pull this back down to this level here, we also have this point of control at this 20K level of major support. Now, what do I mean by that? If we pull this range here, you can see the major volume level is down here. So make sure to mark these on your charts just in case price does fall below this area. Now, what is this must hold area? Now, this has been respected. This 25K area has been respected. Okay, multiple touches throughout this bear market where we can see that prices come to and bounced off of or been rejected off of. Okay, so this is a very key level for us to hold if we want to see upwards price. Now, we've also seen this movement here from the bottom in a very, very beautiful linear fashion, but what we can also see is that there is a beautiful bearish divergence here that we've been talking about on this channel for quite some time. So where does this mean price is going to go? Yes, we have fallen, but there's still room to the downside, and VWAP is below here. So as we flip through, we can see the weekly candle is quite bearish for sure. So what can we expect here? Are we looking for a retracement? Absolutely. So what we're looking for is a move down, a move up, and then a move down. Okay, so this would be healthy for Bitcoin. Doesn't mean it's going to necessarily happen. When markets open on Monday, there could be more fear, there could be more uncertainty, there could be more doubt in the market, so we need to prepare for anything. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure that you guys had these levels, 25.2, okay, 21.8, and 20K. So make sure that these aren't out of the question. Okay, these aren't out of the question. So as we flip through here, we can see that market Cipher has come over into the red where it is curling back up. We are very much oversold on these charts, so we're looking for a push back. Now, where am I looking for a push back? I'll get rid of the bear case and I'll pull up my charts here that I use to scalp / day trade. So we can see that we have the point of control above us at 28,000 and this 25,128. Now, this 25,128 is where I'm looking for a trade. I am looking for a swing failure pattern to the bottom to bounce up to the point of control here. This would be my long-term trade. Okay, so what is this area at 25,128? It's a simple golden pocket that you can pull from here to here, but it is also respected throughout the chart back here. Okay, these are key levels of support and resistance that I've been trading over the weekend. And guess what? Volume's back. So let's be a little bit happy as traders. We can say that, hey, volume is back. It was on a clear downtrend from June, I believe. Yeah, all the way back here, even in March. Yeah. So March, volume has been on a steady decline. And look, boom, we've got some volume. So there's some movement in the charts. Possible opportunities for trading, which we all like. Okay, so I'm very happy about that. But right now, I'm watching this range. We have two ranges. Okay, so we have this range across here that we're looking for the price to bounce, work its way back up to this 28,000 area, then continue its way down because we have put in a lower low on Bybit. I know there isn't a lower low on other exchanges, but right now, I'm just going with this chart. We've had a massive move down, so we're looking for a bounce up and a continuation, okay? So the target will be to get above this value area low here, right around 26,200, and then work our way back up to this 28,000 target, okay? If we do lose these levels, like we know, we look for 25.2 to hold us up, okay? to hold us up where we can look for that bounce and that long trade setup that I just gave you. Okay, so right now we need to be patient and we need to wait for price to come to us. Okay, let's practice some good risk management. Let's not overtrade. Let's just make sure that we're watching our capital and protecting it as much as possible. I have dollar cost average back down at these levels. You know what? Everybody who's regretting not buying at the bottom, these are your opportunities before the bull market comes, right? So I'm holding, I'm waiting, and we're seeing where Bitcoin price can go in the short term. Now, when we go over to the S&P 500, we can see that we're clearly in a downtrend. It has fallen over just like Bitcoin. We have some key levels for it to be supported by. This 4,300 level, we're looking for a bounce and then a continuation downwards, okay? We are looking overall for a 10% drop down to these key levels right around here on the S&P 500, which is around 4,200. Okay, so we're looking for a continuation down on the S&P 500, which will bring Bitcoin down along with it. If the S&P drops dramatically, you can expect risk on assets such as Bitcoin to follow. Now, the dollar index 2 correlation to Bitcoin, you can see it has come up to this key target that we were talking about all the way from back down here. We were talking about this, so make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and join us in the free Discord. Link is in the description below. But we're looking for a rejection off of here and then a possible continuation upwards, okay? And as the Dixie comes up, you can expect risk on assets such as Bitcoin to fall down, okay? But if we do get a little bit of a push back here, we can look for a little bit of a retracement, which we're talking about on this channel, okay? So overall, protect yourselves. It is the weekend. We are getting sideways action, but there is trades to be had. We have shared them in the Discord, so don't forget to join us over there. Right now, at the 4 hour, I don't see much right now. We're kind of hanging around here sideways, so I'm going to sit on my hands. We're going to wait. We've had this massive move down. A healthy move would for us to be having a little bit of a retrace next week. So we'll see what happens when markets open. I'll be here to update you guys, but don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.